Hey guys, this is Atul here with fstopdiary.com, and today I'm gonna load this reel with a film here. This is my first attempt to load a film onto a reel, and that's why I'm using cheap Fuji Color C200. This is an unused film, and I'm gonna try to load this on my reel. I don't want to waste my exposed film, so that's why I'm using a cheap color film over here. I'll need obviously the film, the reel, a can opener, and scissors. Let's see how to do this, because this is also my first time, so I might be a little clumsy over here. I'll take my scissors. I'll open the canister. I'm not sure which side to open from, but let's see. Not from here, just from here. How to open this canister? Good, done that. And now what I'll do is that I'll cut this. Obviously, when you are loading this film which is already exposed, this lead will be already inside the canister, and I don't think that you will have to cut prior to removal of this. You have to push it from here, I think. Okay. Oh, a little difficult, but no, I'm not able to. Oh, okay, fine. It's removed. Finally, this reel is, or this film is done for. This film is gone now. So now let's pretend that we are cutting it now, the exposed film. Okay. Try to now this was pretty easy. I think I'll have to cut the end as well. I think I should stop here. I guess I'm pretty much done. So this is how to load a film onto the reel. If you like the content on this video, then please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, then please press the like button and share it on Twitter, Facebook, and other social networks. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.